This is a mobile trainer kit which can be used to check the working conditions or the faults in the mobile phones, which the faults can also be inserted. So by long pressing the power button, we can turn on the mobile phone. So once the mobile is on, we need to unlock the screen. Once the screen is unlocked, we need to enter a code in the dial pad of this mobile phone, that is *#0*#. So once we enter this, we will enter into the fault insertion section. To insert the faults, first we can check the vibration. Once the vibration is on, we can see that the vibrator is running. So to insert the fault, if we turn on the toggle switch, then the vibrator will stop working. So if the vibrator is repaired or if it is in good condition, then it will be running. So the next fault is, we can check the speaker. Once we press the speaker button, the speaker will start working. To insert the fault again, we can use the same thing by inserting it. So once we switch off the switch, the speaker will start working again. Now we can see that the mobile phone is charging through the symbol of this thunder. To insert the fault for the charging, if we switch off the switch, charging will stop. So if the charger is working properly, then we will have a symbol again. To check the screen on and off issue, first this power button, if we just press it for a short period, the screen will get off, and again if we press it again, the screen will get on. But if there is a fault, it won't function. So these are the test point sections to check the respective voltages. The TP5 will work as a ground, whereas the TP1 and TP2 can be used to check the battery voltage. The TP3 can be used to check the screen on voltage, and the TP4 can be used to check the charging voltage.